Hygiene and sexual practices can change your vaginal pH and lead to infections or irritation. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy, natural ways to restore your pH balance and keep your lady parts happy and healthy. The vagina is an incredibly complex and delicate ecosystem, and maintaining a healthy pH balance is essential for overall vaginal health. The natural vaginal pH ranges between 3.8 and 4.5, which helps maintain a balance of friendly bacteria and keeps unwanted germs and infections at bay. However, daily living, hygiene habits, and sexual activities can disrupt this balance and lead to infections and irritations. First and foremost, wearing the right kind of underwear is essential. Your vagina is naturally moist and requires breathable fabric that allows it to stay dry and clean. So avoid tight synthetic underwear and panty liners, as they can trap moisture and promote the growth of unhealthy bacteria and yeasts. Instead, wear clean, loose cotton underwear and use unscented liners and pads only as necessary. Change out of wet clothes immediately after swimming or working out. You can also try sleeping nude or bare under pajamas to give your skin a chance to breathe. Unprotected sex can throw off your pH balance. Here's how. While the vaginal environment is acidic, semen is more alkaline with a pH of about 8.0. During unprotected sex, semen can change the vaginal pH and disturb the natural environment for up to 10 to 14 hours. It can also trigger the growth of bacteria and make you vulnerable to infections. But semen isn't the only culprit. You can also alter your pH from the vaginal fluid exchange during sex with women or exposure to other organisms during oral sex or penetrative sex with toys. A simple solution is to use condoms and barrier methods during any sexual activity. Another useful remedy for restoring pH balance is to use probiotics. The idea is that introducing friendly bacteria will crowd out the harmful ones and protect against infection. While not all strains of bacteria help restore pH balance, some studies suggest a probiotic strain called Lactobacillus rhamnosus GR1 or LGR1 might have benefits. If you want to try pH balance pills by mouth, it likely won't hurt and may be beneficial. However, avoid putting food or other products in the vagina, as it can cause problems. Practice good hygiene. It goes without saying, but good hygiene is essential for maintaining vaginal health. By keeping your vulva clean and dry, you can promote healthy flora. Remember, you don't need to wash out the inside of your vagina because it is self-cleaning. This practice is called douching and disrupts the vaginal flora and pH, increasing your risk for infections. Instead, practice regular bathing habits. Wash your vulva with warm water or unscented soap and avoid personal wipes, perfumes, and sprays. Shower immediately after exercise and wash your vulva and genitals after sex. And finally, if you suspect your vaginal pH is off, check it at home using vaginal pH test strips. If it's out of range, adjust your lifestyle habits and see your doctor. Vaginox is an affordable and clinical-grade vaginal pH test kit that can help you assess vaginal health quickly, easily, and reliably from the privacy of your home. It can also help you determine the risks of bacterial and sexually transmitted infections such as BV, trich, and yeast infections. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't miss out on the next health update. Subscribe and allow yourself to know. Allow yourself to grow. Diagnox. Care to know to care.